Fine structure of spectral lines. When the spectral lines are viewed by a very high resolving power microscope, it is found that every spectral line is divided into two or more than two components, which are symmetrically situated on the both sides of the spectral line. This phenomena is called the fine structure of spectral lines. In case of one electron system, all states except the ground states are doublet. So the transition of electron between these doublet states of the electron give rise this fine structure of the spectral line. In case of many electron system, the fine structure is very complicated phenomenon because of the greater number of terms involved and the multiplicities. On account of special property of the closed cells, the free electrons responsible for the spectral lines are limited to a small number because of the selection rules, transition rules and Pauli exclusion principle. The components of the spectral line have the wavelength slightly different from the wavelength of the main or the original spectral line. The fine structure of a spectral line is due to the interaction between the spin and the orbit of the electron, simply called the spin orbit interaction or spin orbit coupling.